And thanks to Amazon Prime Day, I did something that I've been wanting, or got something that I've been wanting to get for a really long time. And that is the 23andMe DNA Plus Health test. So it's normally $100 for the DNA and $100 for the health assessment test thing, whatever. But Amazon Prime Day had a special for $100 for both. So you saved $100. So I was really excited, so I had to jump on it. So I figured, why not make a video and show the kit and how it works. And Juliet wants to get in on it. There she is. She wants to do her own DNA test. So, got the box. Let's open it up and see what is inside. It says, welcome to you. Hi. Alright, and that's what that looks like. It is the kit. Yeah. Alright, let's put that in there because read the instructions first. Hi. It says here, ooh la la. This is what comes in the kit, people. Ooh la la. It shows the little thing. Now, I've done Ancestry before, so I'm guessing it's basically the same thing, where it is spit in a tube. So, ready, set, wait. Before you begin, please review this important information. And it basically tells you what is in the kit, warnings and precautions, the chemicals they use. Alright, let's get started. It says, download the 23andMe app and use it to register your kit. Well, I can't do that right now. I'm using my phone to record this video. No app, no worries. There we go. No app, no worries. I can't turn the page. Step 1, register your kit. Go online to 23andme.com/start to register your saliva collection tube using the barcode. Where's the barcode? Oh, you know what? I bet it's on the tube. Yes, there is a barcode on the tube. Alright. So let us, grab my handy dandy keyboard. Let us go to the 23andMe website, which I have up right now. Alright, so we are on the 23andMe website, and I'm going to open my book up again. So I've got to go to register kit. Alright, so I finished registering, and now I have to enter the 14-digit barcode from the tube. So let me do that. Alright, so I got that number in there, and now we've got the fun terms of use, privacy statement, boring stuff that not many people actually read. So I will scan through this really quick and on to the next step. Next up is the research consent document. Apparently there's a bunch of different stuff. Seeing personal information, benefit, all the stuff. What am I agreeing to if I consent? Your genetic data, information you enter into surveys, data you authorize us to import for research, your age and ethnicity. How do I participate? Then blah blah blah, all the stuff. Alright, on to the next step. Alright, yay, my kit has been registered. That's all I need to know. And I can complete my profile. Tips on providing your sample. Yeah. It's about the same stuff that's in the book. Look, now you can see. Don't eat, drink, smoke, chew gum, brush your teeth, or use mouthwash for at least 30 minutes prior to providing your sample. I'm good on that. Collect the recommended volume of saliva. Yep. Screw top, all that. Alright, so back to the book. So I have registered my kit. I have not had anything to eat, drink, chew gum, brush teeth, or smoke for at least 30 minutes. So step 3, fill to line. So I pulled the little tube out of here. It's a weird looking tube thing. Alright, there's a cap in there. Some sort of bag. Alright, so here's the tube. Some weird liquid thing right here. So spit into the funnel until the amount of saliva, not bubbles, reaches the fill line shown here, up to here. So, fill to, there's a little fill line that says fill to, so I gotta spit that much. Now, I've done, like I said, I've done Ancestry before, and it's about the same amount. Oh, I guess it's not. The tube is empty there. So, it's that much, which is still, from the bottom of this label to this line, which is still actually a lot of spit. So, I will save you guys the horror of watching me spit into a tube. So, I will be right back. Okay, so I have a really dry mouth now. It took about 3 minutes to fill that much. After like the 4th spit, you need something to drink. It's hard to do. Alright, so I did the fill to line. What's next? Close funnel lid. Holding the tube upright, close the funnel lid as shown by firmly pushing on the lid until you hear a click. The liquid in the lid will be released into the tube to mix with the saliva. Make sure that the lid is closed tightly. Alright, so let's go. So, let's see. We're gonna see it. It's so gross. I'm showing you my spit right on camera. Oh, look. It's filling it up. Oh, that's so gross. It's so gross. If it wasn't awesome and like the stuff that you can learn from all these DNA stuff, this is disgusting. All right, so I closed the funnel lid. Let's see what's next in the book. Screw on cap. Yes, that is next. Step 5, screw on cap. It didn't tell me to unscrew the funnel lid, so I guess it goes without saying. So let me unscrew this. Try not to spill anything. Alright, there's the lid. It's got a little blue dot on it. Alright, screw the lid. Now, seal in bag. So there was this nifty little bag thing here. Shows you. Pop it in there. Peel the sticker. Fold it over. Biohazard. Biohazard. Alright, so In goes Mr. Tubby with my nasty spit. Get in there. Alright, so now alright, so now I'm peeling the sticker. Folding this nastiness to stay all together. Alright. There it is. In its bag. In its nastiness. Alright, so step 6, done. I'm like afraid to like lay it down. Even though I know it's gonna get mailed. Alright, step 7. Ship in box. Return the sealed plastic bag to the original box, peel the strip, and seal the box closed, then ship. The plastic container is recyclable, so if you feel so inclined. It's recyclable if you feel so inclined. Alright. Shipping has been prepaid. Especially, that's awesome for those of you who spend $200 on this. Thank God I only spent $100. So you can save your stamps. You've already used enough saliva. Isn't that the truth? Still dry-mouthed. Alright, step 8, let the discovery begin. So, the box, the box that everything comes in has a shipping label on it, already on it. So, I guess you just stick it in here. Nope, you don't have to put it back in this box. It's a little... Oh, this must be the recyclable container. Alright. It is in there. Ready, set to mail. If I can close it. Alright. So there is your 23andMe Health Plus Ancestry. I don't know how long it'll take. I'm guessing at least a month, because I did buy this on the Amazon Prime Days super sale, so I'm sure a lot of other people did too, so they're going to be getting a bunch of samples in. And if any of you guys are wondering and want to find out more, get on the 23andMe website. I don't know the comparison between it and Ancestry yet. I will figure that out soon. And hopefully I'll be able to do a video comparing 23andMe and Ancestry, my experience on both. So if you have any questions, please leave me a message, leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Check out my Facebook at Dutch Reviews, and I will see you next time. Bye.